Welcome back to the Homestead Guys. I don't know if you can hear it. It's a rainy Sunday morning, so can't take the toys out. I don't run my stuff in the rain, but we can do some other stuff. I've been having this nagging issue, not really, but I have a shed over here that has no lights in it. I put in a solar light, one of them cheapy joints from Amazon in the winter, and it does work good. But I also put a little workbench in there, hold some of the hand tools, the outside tools, and today is a perfect day to do a little catch up. I want to sharpen some chainsaws, and I don't necessarily want to do it right here. I just don't. If I have the ability to go into the shed, why not do it? My issue is that there's no lights in there. And I called an electrician to see what it would cost to run some electric out there, and the prices being what the prices are, the prices these days, it's just not in the cards. So let's go with a more simpler solution of things that I have on hand, because I don't need lights. It's not a workshop. I don't need a whole set of lights. I don't need to light the whole thing. I just need lights over my little workbench. It's a little teeny tiny workbench. I picked up some lights on Facebook Marketplace a couple of months ago, actually, and a guy was taking his shop lights out and swapping them out with LEDs and put them on Facebook Marketplace locally for free. So if it's free, it's for me. From the other channel, you know that. So I'm thinking a nice quick project, famous last words, quick project, is set up a light over the workbench using batteries, because I have batteries on hand. And nice rainy Sunday morning is a good time to do it. I think the issue in the beginning, mainly for you guys, it's gonna be dark. So I think first things first, let's take your sunglasses off. Not gonna need those. It's a little bit better. And we'll try to adjust and see what we can make out of it. Here, hold this, would you? Perfect. Oh yeah, dark as dark can be in here. Let's try the... So we got our little solar light here. Makes it a little bit better. It's not a bad light. It's just not good enough. So, there we go, not too bad. Normal workbench full of crap. I'm envisioning to hook up the workbench light and maybe a light right here. I think first things first, let's get the welder out of the way. Let's clean up the junk.
Where's the carpenter? Meow.
Meow.
What?
Okay, so my proof of concept works. Got the battery up in the corner, got this little shop light on top of the workbench. So the battery pack does have enough juice in it to, I guess, power a light.
Wow.
Because it's a rainy day, we have help here.
Hi.
And so now I'm going to try to figure out, some way to go up in the top here, drop down maybe a 2x4 and just mount the... And just drop down one of these 4-footers right over the bench so I can see. Alright, so we found a working set of fluorescents. It's pulling, I don't know if you guys can see that, there we go. It's pulling 23 watts with both lights on. So let me turn this one off. 17 watts, 8 hours of work time. What? Okay, so 15 watts. It is our work lab. All right. So we're getting there.
It's a
We got winners. I adjusted the shutter speed on you guys to get a little brightness because it is kind of dark over here. I don't know what it's going to do. I'll fix it back when we turn around. But I'm actually going to look in this scrap pile of lights. See what kind of chains I have to drop them down. Oh! Let's put that in the way. One. Oh, I feel it. Oh! It's better to be lucky than good, boys. I might not even have to put up any wood. Wood. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This chain's plenty. Sweet. So, this kind of turned out to be not that much construction. Alright. I'm going to sink the chains in to the rafters. I have another idea to keep this video going, though. Now, what did I say these fluorescents are? It does take a hot second for them to fire up. Just sucking juice out of the battery. Turn that one off. This is now running at 15 watts. And from this view, it looks like I'm part of the Illuminati. I should be putting my hand on a globe or something. Alright, I got an idea. I stole some of my LEDs from the grow light setup that I have in the spring, or the winter, early spring. Maybe we could reduce the wattage on this? I don't know. Worth a shot. And it does take forever to fire up. Let's see, maybe the LEDs pull a little less watts. With some computer technology. Daylight 6500. You did?
Yeah. We found all the clues. We found everything. And we did every job.
You did every job?
Yeah. And we found cookies.
You only got one. What happened? Alright, so the fluorescents are pulling 13 watts. Now, these are both 40-watt bulbs. I know we have a ballast in here, and they're really not putting out a ton of light. I don't know what it looks like to you guys, but in real life, they're not putting out a ton of light. They're like 25% power. Now, I tried to put the LED bulbs in this housing, and they didn't fire off at all. Actually, one of them fired off 25%. There's got to be something there for that.
Half of it came down while the other part
was dark, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it only came to about there.
And
And I
then
gave it a minute to warm up, and it still didn't go anywhere. So,
still didn't go anywhere.
no. So even though I might be interested in saving wattage, I don't think that fluorescents are going to work in this case. So let's switch over to the, you want to switch over to the LEDs? See what we get out of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Switch fittings, housings.
We don't have that. We only have me and Dad right now.
That's right.
We don't have my sister or Mom.
Cupid Doop went inside.
Yeah.
Although on the channel, Junie has showed up quite a bit.
But I have showed up.
No, it's been a while since you were on here.
Yeah.
Now, let's try this. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
That was amazing.
Whoa!
It's lighting up.
It's bright in here.
Yeah.
Whoa!
We're even brighter than that.
Yeah, we could turn that one off. Oh!
Wait, how do we turn it off?
Now the remote over there. Be careful of the steps. Be careful where you are. All right, so this is clearly the winner. What are we running at wattage-wise? 31 watts. So if there's two 80-watt bulbs in here, we're running at less than half. Some sort of an electrical engineer may or may not comment about why this is happening, but I dig it. Oh, this is like a real workshop.
Okay.
Look at this.
Why don't we actually hang it up
Let's
there?
hang it. Let's steal the...
Yeah, we also have some stuff like here.
Yeah, we're going to use that. Let's steal the hooks off of this one.
We're gonna use these chains to get them on.
What? This is awesome. Look how much length there is, buddy.
But how will we turn it off and on? This is a really,
We
really
can push
long
this button
chain.
over here.
Oh,
I know it's a really long chain. Who's better than us? Well, Doyle rules. Leatherman in the house. Cheap Chinese knockoff over here. What else is new? Yeah, we can toss it back in the pot.
What?
Just in case we get real electric in here. Wish this chain would stop swaying. I wish I had a helper that could grab this chain and make it stop moving. Oh. Oh, I do. All right. So let's sink it right here.
I'm keeping it still.
Oh.
Did you know it in?
Not yet. Okay, let go. Let go of the chain, buddy. Huh.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, you know what? Can you go into the tool bucket right there and get me a tape measure?
Tool bucket?
The tool bucket?
The orange?
Yep.
Yeah.
Is either a tape measure there or on the floor where Junie left it. That's it. My man.
I also got the nails.
Perfect. So what do we come off of this header thing here?
I'll
What
get,
came off?
I'll get one of them out.
Exactly 18 inches. So let's go exactly 18 inches over here, just so that it's even Steven. Alright, well maybe I'll need it on the next one.
I'm taking it on the table.
Okay, this side, what do we come down here? Let's just make it even. So from the screw we came down exactly 1 foot. Daddy's calibrated eye is on fire today. Daddy's calibrated eye. Patent pending.
Now,
That is level. Hit it, buddy. Ho! Look at us.
look at that, bro.
Look at that, bro.
It worked.
It did work.
Now we have our own workbench right here.
We do. I gotta cut these chains off, but we could even work.
But these chains are good to play with, though, too.
Yeah, that's exactly why I want to cut them off. Look at this.
Yeah, in case that broke.
You know what this means?
What?
Daddy has a new place to hide.
Where?
Right here. We're pulling 30 watts. That gives us 5 hours of juice at
Wait, I hear someone.
71%.
I hear someone.
A lot of folks with the LEDs get the black bars across with the shutter and the this and the that, and looks like we don't have that. So this could be a new YouTube spot. I'm happy. Quick rainy day project. Justin Hawkins. No, that's the guy from The Darkness. Justin something with the accent. It was either him or Joel Salatin that said something along the lines of, you're never going to get everything done on your homestead in one day. Take your time and improve it by like 1%, and it makes you feel better. And that's a clear indicator here of what we got going on here. This was a 10-minute project. Nah, how long was this? Was this 10 minutes?
I think it was 20 minutes.
20 minutes. That's a fair estimate.
Maybe 20 minutes.
Maybe 20 minutes. And you get to work with your son and do stuff and make your life that much better.
Yeah.
So do you know what I say at the end of videos? I say, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Do you want to do it today?
Okay.
You can if you want to. You do your own exit if you'd like. Go ahead.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video.
That's right. My man. Catch you on the next one, guys.